Nutanix Enterprise Cloud Administration Online Training. Introduction to Nutanix Enterprise Cloud. Nutanix Enterprise Cloud is a comprehensive platform that converges computing, storage, and virtualization into a single, integrated solution. This approach transforms how IT teams deploy and manage infrastructure in a data center or a hybrid cloud environment. Here's an overview to get you started. What is Nutanix Enterprise Cloud? Nutanix Enterprise Cloud Platform is designed to simplify IT operations by merging computing, servers, storage, and virtualization into a single appliance, known as the Nutanix node. This hyper-converged infrastructure, HCI, eliminates the need for separate storage arrays and simplifies the management of virtualized workloads. Core components. Nutanix nodes. These are the building blocks of the Nutanix Enterprise Cloud. Each node integrates compute, storage, and virtualization resources, creating a scalable and resilient infrastructure. Acropolis Hypervisor, AHV. Nutanix includes its own hypervisor, AHV, which is based on KVM, kernel-based virtual machine. AHV is designed to seamlessly integrate with the Nutanix platform and provides virtualization capabilities for running applications and virtual machines, VMs. Prism. Prism is the management interface for Nutanix Enterprise Cloud. It provides a unified console for managing and monitoring the entire infrastructure, including VMs, storage, and networking. AHV Turbo. This feature enhances the performance and scalability of AHV, optimizing VM density and resource utilization. Nutanix Files. Nutanix Files provides scalable file storage for enterprise applications, enabling seamless data management across multiple environments. Key components of Nutanix Enterprise Cloud. Nutanix Enterprise Cloud is a comprehensive hyper-converged infrastructure, HCI, solution designed to integrate compute, storage, and networking into a single platform. The key components of Nutanix Enterprise Cloud include Nutanix Prism. This is the management interface for Nutanix clusters, providing a centralized control plane for managing and monitoring all aspects of the infrastructure. Prism enables administrators to perform tasks such as provisioning, monitoring performance, managing upgrades, and troubleshooting. Acropolis Hypervisor. AHV. AHV is Nutanix's built-in hypervisor, based on KVM, kernel-based virtual machine. It provides virtualization capabilities for running virtual machines, VMs, on Nutanix infrastructure, eliminating the need for separate hypervisor licensing and reducing complexity. Nutanix Files. Nutanix Files is a software-defined scale-out file storage solution that integrates with Nutanix clusters. It provides unified storage for a wide range of workloads, including user home directories, departmental shares, and virtual desktop infrastructure, VDI. Prism Central. Prism Central is a centralized management interface for managing multiple Nutanix clusters across different locations from a single pane of glass. It enables administrators to orchestrate and automate operations, monitor performance, and enforce policies across the entire infrastructure. Calm. Nutanix Calm is an application orchestration and lifecycle management tool that automates the provisioning, scaling, and management of applications across hybrid clouds. It provides a blueprint-based approach to define, deploy, and manage applications, making it easier to move workloads between different environments. Flow. Nutanix Flow is a software-defined networking (SDN) solution that provides application-centric security policies and microsegmentation capabilities within Nutanix clusters. It enhances security by enforcing policies at the VM level, regardless of the underlying network topology. Beam. Nutanix Beam is a multi-cloud optimization service that provides cost visibility and optimization recommendations for workloads running across public clouds such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, and on-premises Nutanix environments. It helps organizations manage costs, ensure compliance, and optimize resource utilization. Virtualization in Nutanix, simplifying deployment. Virtualization in Nutanix simplifies deployment by leveraging a hyper-converged infrastructure (HCI) approach. Nutanix integrates compute, storage, and networking into a single platform, allowing virtualization to be managed more efficiently. Here's how Nutanix simplifies deployment through virtualization. Hyperconverged infrastructure (HCI). Nutanix converges compute, servers, storage, and networking into a unified platform. This integration eliminates the need for separate silos of infrastructure, compute clusters, SAN NAS storage, reducing complexity and deployment time. Scale-out architecture. Nutanix uses a scale-out architecture where resources can be added in modular increments. This allows for seamless scalability without disruptions to existing applications or virtual machines, VMs. Software-defined storage, SDS. Nutanix employs SDS, abstracting storage from physical hardware and managing it through software. This simplifies storage management tasks such as provisioning, replication, and data protection. Centralized management. Prism, Nutanix's management interface, provides a single pane of glass to manage the entire infrastructure. From Prism, administrators can oversee virtual machines, storage, networking, and compute resources in a unified manner. Automation and orchestration. Nutanix Prism includes powerful automation capabilities, enabling tasks such as VM deployment, configuration changes, and updates to be automated through policies and workflows. This reduces manual intervention and speeds up deployment times. High availability and disaster recovery. Nutanix ensures high availability through built-in redundancy and failover mechanisms. Disaster recovery capabilities are also simplified, with replication and recovery managed through Prism. Choice of hypervisors. Nutanix supports multiple hypervisors including VMware ES11, Microsoft Hyper-V, and Nutanix AHV, Acropolis Hypervisor. This flexibility allows organizations to choose the virtualization platform that best suits their needs. Data management and storage in Nutanix. Hyperconverged infrastructure, HCI. Nutanix HCI integrates compute, storage, and virtualization resources into a single system, managed through a unified interface. This eliminates the need for separate storage arrays and simplifies data management. Distributed storage fabric. Nutanix uses a distributed storage fabric that spans all nodes in the cluster. This fabric aggregates the local storage resources from each node to create a pool of storage that is shared across the cluster. Data locality. Nutanix emphasizes data locality, which means that data is stored and processed close to where it is needed. This minimizes latency and optimizes performance by reducing the need to traverse the network for data access. Data resiliency and redundancy. Nutanix ensures data resiliency through techniques like data replication and erasure coding. Data redundancy across nodes and disks within the cluster helps protect against hardware failures and ensures high availability. Scale-out architecture. Nutanix employs a scale-out architecture, allowing organizations to start small and add nodes as needed. This linear scaling approach ensures that both compute and storage resources can grow simultaneously, avoiding bottlenecks. Software-defined storage (SDS). Nutanix SDS abstracts storage management from hardware, providing flexibility and agility in deploying and managing storage resources. This software-centric approach enables easier scalability and simplifies operations. Data services. Nutanix includes various data services such as compression, deduplication, and encryption. These services are integrated into the platform to optimize storage efficiency, enhance security, and comply with data governance requirements. Management and automation. Nutanix Prism is the management interface that provides a single pane of glass for managing the entire infrastructure. It offers comprehensive visibility, automation capabilities, and intelligent insights into the performance and health of the environment. Security features in Nutanix Enterprise Cloud. Data encryption. Nutanix supports encryption at rest and in transit. Data at rest can be encrypted using self-encrypting drives, SED, or software-based encryption mechanisms. Encryption in transit is achieved through secure protocols such as TLS, Transport Layer Security. Access controls. Nutanix provides robust access controls to manage who can access which resources within the infrastructure. This includes role-based access control, RBAC, which allows administrators to assign permissions based on roles and responsibilities. Authentication. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, is supported to enhance the security of user logins. This requires users to provide two or more verification factors to gain access, adding an extra layer of security beyond just passwords. Auditing and logging. Nutanix offers comprehensive logging and auditing capabilities to monitor and track activities within the environment. This helps in detecting and responding to security incidents and compliance requirements. Network security. Nutanix includes features for network segmentation, firewall capabilities, and microsegmentation to isolate and protect workloads and applications from unauthorized access or lateral movement within the network. Compliance. Nutanix Enterprise Cloud adheres to various compliance standards and certifications, such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, GDPR, etc., depending on the deployment and configuration. This helps organizations meet regulatory requirements and industry standards. Vulnerability management. Nutanix regularly updates its software to patch vulnerabilities and improve security. Additionally, It supports vulnerability scanning and management practices to identify and mitigate potential security risks. Disaster recovery and backup. Nutanix provides features for disaster recovery, DR, and backup, ensuring data protection and availability in case of emergencies or data loss incidents. Secure APIs. APIs provided by Nutanix are designed with security in mind, supporting authentication, authorization, and encryption to secure interactions with the infrastructure. Security advisories and best practices. Nutanix publishes security advisories and best practices to guide administrators in configuring and maintaining a secure environment. Scaling your infrastructure with Nutanix. Understand Nutanix HCI fundamentals. Nutanix HCI eliminates traditional silos by converging compute, storage, and networking into a single appliance or cluster. It uses a distributed architecture with software-defined storage and built-in virtualization. Nodes, servers, can be added incrementally to scale performance and capacity linearly. Assess current infrastructure. Evaluate your current IT infrastructure, including servers, storage, and networking components. Identify pain points such as performance bottlenecks, scalability issues, or complexity in management. Design scalable architecture. Determine your scaling requirements. Do you need more compute power, storage capacity, or both? Nutanix clusters can scale both horizontally, adding more nodes, and vertically, upgrading existing nodes. Design the HCI cluster for redundancy and high availability to ensure no single point of failure. Plan for growth. Estimate future growth in terms of compute and storage needs over the next few years. Nutanix allows non-disruptive scaling, meaning you can add nodes without downtime. Implement Nutanix clusters. Deploy Nutanix clusters based on your design and scaling plan. Configure and integrate Nutanix Prism, the management interface, to monitor and manage your HCI environment. Scaling operations. As your needs grow, add nodes to the Nutanix cluster seamlessly. Use Nutanix Prism to monitor performance, manage upgrades, and troubleshoot issues. Optimize performance. Utilize Nutanix features such as data locality, compression, and deduplication to optimize storage efficiency. Monitor and tune performance using Nutanix Prism Insights and Analytics. Ensure data protection. Implement Nutanix built-in data protection features like snapshots, replication, and disaster recovery. Define backup and recovery strategies to safeguard critical data. Disaster recovery and resilience in Nutanix. Disaster recovery, DR, and resilience in Nutanix are crucial aspects of ensuring business continuity and minimizing downtime in the event of disruptions or disasters. Nutanix provides several features and capabilities that support robust DR and resilience strategies. Hyper-converged infrastructure, HCI, foundation. Nutanix's HCI platform integrates compute, storage, and networking into a single appliance, simplifying data center management. This architecture enhances resilience by reducing the complexity associated with traditional infrastructure. Distributed storage fabric. Nutanix utilizes a distributed storage fabric that replicates data across nodes within a cluster. This redundancy ensures that data remains available even if individual nodes or components fail. The data is striped and mirrored across multiple nodes, which enhances resilience against hardware failures. Data replication. Nutanix supports both synchronous and asynchronous data replication between clusters or data centers. Synchronous replication ensures that data is mirrored to a secondary site in real time, providing near-zero RPO, recovery point objective. Asynchronous replication allows for more flexible RPO settings, accommodating longer distances between sites. Disaster recovery orchestration. Nutanix offers built-in disaster recovery orchestration through its Prism management interface. This allows administrators to define and automate recovery plans, including failover and failback procedures. This simplifies the process of executing DR plans during actual incidents. Backup and snapshot capabilities. Nutanix supports native backup and snapshot functionalities, enabling point-in-time recovery and data protection. These features are integral to maintaining data integrity and facilitating quick recovery in case of data corruption or accidental deletions. Multi-cloud support. Nutanix supports hybrid and multi-cloud deployments, allowing organizations to extend their DR strategies beyond on-premises environments. This flexibility enables leveraging public cloud resources for additional redundancy and disaster recovery options. Security and compliance. Nutanix integrates security features such as encryption, role-based access control, RBAC, and compliance monitoring. These measures enhance the resilience of infrastructure against security threats and ensure adherence to regulatory requirements during recovery scenarios. Optimizing performance and efficiency in Nutanix. Optimizing performance and efficiency in Nutanix involves several key strategies and best practices aimed at maximizing resource utilization and enhancing overall system responsiveness. Here are some approaches. Right-sizing VMs. Ensure virtual machines, VMs, are appropriately sized for their workload requirements. Nutanix Prism provides insights into VM performance metrics, helping you adjust CPU, memory, and storage allocations accordingly. Storage optimization. Data locality. Leverage Nutanix's data locality feature to keep data close to the VMs that need it, reducing latency. Compression and deduplication. Enable and fine-tune these features to reduce storage footprint and improve I/O performance. Tiering. Use Nutanix's automated tiering to ensure that frequently accessed data resides on faster storage tiers, while less critical data is moved to slower, cost-effective tiers. Networking. Network configuration. Optimize network settings to ensure sufficient bandwidth and minimal latency between nodes and VMs. NIC bonding and teaming. Implement bonding or teaming for network interfaces to increase throughput and provide redundancy. Performance monitoring. Utilize Nutanix Prism for real-time monitoring of performance metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, disk I/O, and network throughput. Set up alerts to promptly address any performance issues. HCI platform enhancements. Keep Nutanix software and firmware up to date to benefit from performance improvements and security patches. Utilize Nutanix's built-in analytics and AI-driven insights to proactively identify and resolve potential performance bottlenecks. Workload placement and balancing. Use Nutanix Prism's workload placement recommendations to ensure VMs are placed on hosts that can provide the required resources without contention. Implement load balancing policies to evenly distribute workloads across nodes, optimizing resource utilization. Power management. Configure Nutanix nodes for efficient power management strategies, such as dynamic power scaling and automated power-on power-off based on workload demands. How does Nutanix simplify data center operations? Nutanix simplifies data center operations primarily through its hyper-converged infrastructure (HCI) solutions. Here's how Nutanix achieves this simplification. Integration of compute and storage. Nutanix integrates compute, servers, and storage, data storage, into a single platform. Traditional data centers often have separate silos for servers and storage, which require separate management and provisioning. Nutanix's HCI combines these elements, eliminating the need for separate storage area networks, SANs, and providing a unified management interface. Software-defined architecture. Nutanix uses a software-defined approach to manage and control all aspects of the infrastructure through a single pane of glass. This means that administrators can manage the entire infrastructure, including compute, storage, networking, and virtualization, through Nutanix's Prism interface. This unified management reduces complexity and streamlines operations. Scalability. Nutanix HCI allows for seamless scalability by adding nodes, server units, to the cluster as needed. This scalability is linear, meaning that as nodes are added, performance and storage capacity increase predictably. This eliminates the traditional approach of over-provisioning hardware and allows data centers to scale resources incrementally. Automation and self-service. Nutanix automates many routine tasks such as provisioning, data replication, and disaster recovery. Automation reduces manual intervention, lowers the chance of human errors, and speeds up deployment times. Self-service capabilities allow authorized users to provision resources independently, further reducing administrative overhead. High availability and resilience. Nutanix clusters are designed for high availability, and resilience. Data redundancy and failover mechanisms ensure that applications remain operational even if hardware components fail. This reduces downtime and enhances reliability, critical for maintaining service levels in data centers. Cost efficiency. By consolidating compute and storage into a single platform and leveraging commodity hardware, Nutanix can lower infrastructure costs compared to traditional setups. The efficiency gained through automation and simplified management also contributes to overall cost savings. Support for hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Nutanix supports hybrid cloud deployments, allowing organizations to seamlessly extend their on-premises infrastructure to public cloud environments. This flexibility enables workload mobility and choice in deployment models without sacrificing operational simplicity. What are the benefits of hyperconvergence in Nutanix? Simplified infrastructure management. Nutanix Hyperconverged Infrastructure (HCI) integrates compute, storage, and networking into a single platform, managed through a unified interface. This simplifies overall management, reduces complexity, and streamlines operations compared to traditional infrastructure setups where these components are managed separately. Scalability. Nutanix HCI is designed to scale out linearly by adding nodes to the cluster. This allows organizations to start small and grow incrementally as their needs increase, without the traditional challenges of scaling compute and storage separately. Improved performance. By converging compute and storage resources and utilizing efficient data locality techniques, Nutanix HCI can deliver improved performance for both virtualized applications and storage operations. This is achieved through the elimination of network latency and optimized data access. Cost efficiency. Nutanix HCI reduces the need for separate storage arrays and complex storage networks, which can lead to cost savings in terms of hardware acquisition, power, cooling, and data center footprint. The scalability and simplified management also contribute to lower operational costs over time. High availability and resilience. Nutanix HCI provides built-in redundancy and high availability features. Data replication and distribution across multiple nodes within the cluster ensure that applications remain accessible even in the event of hardware failures or node outages. Flexible deployment options. Nutanix supports a variety of deployment options, including on-premises, hybrid cloud, and multi-cloud environments. This flexibility allows organizations to adopt a cloud-like infrastructure model while retaining control over their data and applications. Integrated data protection. Nutanix includes built-in data protection features such as snapshots, cloning, and replication. These capabilities help ensure data integrity and provide mechanisms for disaster recovery without requiring third-party solutions. Automation and orchestration. Nutanix Prism, the management interface for Nutanix HCI, includes powerful automation and orchestration capabilities. This allows administrators to automate routine tasks, streamline workflows, and enforce policies across the infrastructure easily. What role does automation play in Nutanix Enterprise Cloud? Infrastructure provisioning and management. Automation simplifies the deployment and management of infrastructure components such as virtual machines, storage, and networking. Nutanix uses automation to provision resources quickly based on predefined policies and requirements. Self-service capabilities. Automation enables self-service capabilities, allowing users to request and deploy resources through a user-friendly interface or API. This reduces the dependency on manual intervention for resource allocation. Operational efficiency. By automating routine tasks such as monitoring, scaling, and maintenance, Nutanix Enterprise Cloud improves operational efficiency. Automated monitoring tools can detect issues proactively and trigger corrective actions, minimizing downtime and optimizing performance. Policy-driven management. Automation helps enforce governance policies consistently across the infrastructure. Nutanix Enterprise Cloud uses automation to apply security policies, compliance checks, and performance optimizations based on predefined rules and policies. Cost optimization. Automation plays a role in optimizing costs by right-sizing resources, automating shutdowns during non-peak hours, and optimizing workload placement. This ensures that resources are utilized efficiently, reducing unnecessary expenditure. Integration and orchestration. Automation facilitates integration with third-party systems and orchestrates workflows across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Nutanix Enterprise Cloud leverages automation to integrate with various cloud platforms and orchestrate workload migrations or disaster recovery processes seamlessly. How does Nutanix optimize storage and resource management? Nutanix optimizes storage and resource management primarily through its hyper-converged infrastructure (HCI) platform. Here are several ways Nutanix achieves optimization. Hyperconvergence. Nutanix consolidates storage, compute, and networking into a single appliance, eliminating silos that traditionally exist in data centers. This integration reduces complexity and improves resource utilization. Distributed storage fabric. Nutanix utilizes a distributed storage fabric that spans all nodes in the cluster. This approach avoids the need for a dedicated storage network and ensures efficient use of storage resources across the entire cluster. Intelligent tiering. Nutanix employs intelligent tiering mechanisms to automatically place data on the most appropriate storage tier based on access frequency and performance requirements. This ensures that frequently accessed data is stored on faster storage media, example SSDs, while less frequently accessed data may reside on slower, more cost-effective media, example HDDs. Data locality. Nutanix leverages data locality, which means data is stored and processed locally on the node where the application is running. This reduces latency and improves performance by minimizing data movement across the network. Automation and self-healing. Nutanix includes robust automation capabilities for resource management tasks such as workload placement, data replication, and load balancing. Additionally, the platform employs self-healing mechanisms to detect and mitigate hardware or software failures automatically, ensuring high availability and reliability. Scalability. Nutanix allows for seamless scalability by adding nodes to the cluster as needed. This linear scalability ensures that organizations can expand their infrastructure without disruptive migrations or complex reconfigurations. Analytics and insights. Nutanix provides built-in analytics and reporting tools that offer visibility into resource utilization, performance metrics, and capacity planning. These insights help organizations make informed decisions about resource allocation and optimization. Overall, Nutanix's approach to storage and resource management through hyperconvergence, distributed storage fabric, intelligent tiering, automation, scalability, and analytics aims to simplify operations, improve efficiency, and enhance the performance of enterprise IT environments. Why choose ProExcellency for Nutanix Enterprise Cloud Administration Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for Nutanix Enterprise Cloud Administration Online Training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency likely offers trainers who are experienced in Nutanix Enterprise Cloud Administration. They are expected to have deep knowledge and practical experience in deploying, managing, and optimizing Nutanix environments. Comprehensive curriculum. They probably provide a well-structured curriculum that covers all essential aspects of Nutanix Enterprise Cloud Administration, ensuring you receive a thorough understanding of the platform. Hands-on training, practical, hands-on experience is crucial in mastering Nutanix technologies. ProExcellency may offer labs, simulations, or real-world scenarios to enhance your skills effectively. Flexibility of online learning. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and from anywhere, which can be convenient for professionals balancing work and learning. Certification preparation. If you're aiming for Nutanix certifications, ProExcellency might offer training specifically geared towards exam preparation, ensuring you're well-equipped to pass. Support and community. They may provide access to a community of learners or support resources, fostering collaboration and additional learning opportunities. Cost effectiveness. Online training can often be more cost-effective than traditional in-person courses, especially when factoring in travel and accommodation expenses. Thank you.